friends, it's Lisa Jones with 31, and I wanted to come today and show you two brand new fall Hostess exclusive products. The only way you can get your hands on these beauties is to host a party with 31 this fall season, and that can be an in-home party, it can be getting girlfriends together at a restaurant, an online party, or just getting some orders from friends passing around catalogs. Once you hit $200 in orders, then bam, you start earning Hostess rewards, earning free products, half-price products, and these Hostess exclusives. So the first one is our weekend bag, and I absolutely love this. It comes in this beautiful black, and it comes in a crushed berry pebble this season, and you can have it obviously personalized here. It is a nice little hidden cell phone pocket back here, and it's kind of that vinyl material, so this is going to wipe and wear very nicely. It does come with a really nice adjustable strap, so you can put that on your shoulder, and you can even lengthen it and carry it crossbody. And it is just a really big packet for the weekend kind of bag. There is one more additional zipper pocket on the inside, and you can just see, you can see how wide the bottom is to know the sizing of this bag. So this is the weekend tote, and this is a $50 purchase with a qualifying party, and depending on where your party is, you could even get this absolutely free. So paired with that, I wanted to show another Hostess exclusive, and this is our Pack and Zip Travel Trio. So 31 now has 3 packing cubes. So a hostess can get all 3. There's a large, a medium, and a smaller one. You can get all 3 of these for only $25. Now we do, for customers, have this size. This is our medium packing cube, and this retails for $20. So $20 for this, or host a party, and you can get all 3 of these for only $25. So I wanted to show I am a big fan of packing cubes. I started using these a couple years ago, and they make such a difference in my packing. And I wanted to show you, because with the weekend bag and our medium sized tote, I have packed this for an entire weekend getaway. And you can see that is down in this tote, and there is still a ton of room to put more things in here. So this really can be a complete weekend bag. So I'm a big fan of the packing cubes, and I'm a big fan of rolling my clothes. So I wanted to show you in this one cube, and I'm gonna come a little closer. In this medium-sized cube, I have a full-size pair of jeans, not capris, full length, I mean, 3 t-shirts, a pair of pajamas, 2 pairs of socks, some undies, and a change of shoes. That is all in this one little cube. So let me show you how this goes. I love to roll my clothes up. So once I get this unzipped, I want to kind of show you. It's going to be hard to pick this up. So in here are my jeans. The next one are pajamas, 3 t-shirts, socks and undies, and then my flip-flops. So what I do when I pack is I roll my clothes. So literally this is just a t-shirt. It's rolled up, and then you can put it in here. Same thing with a pair of jeans. So you can have your cubes, like one could be for pants, one could be shirts, one could be for, your undergarments. You could even pack, sometimes I will take my clothes and put the outfits together. So say a pair of jeans and my Tigers t-shirt. I would put these 2 together like this, and then just roll them up. And this is going to take up so much less room in your suitcase when you're packing if you're rolling your clothes. So you essentially can have, if you put it seam side down there, you can have all of your outfits, 3 or 4 outfits in a row here, and then I even have a change of shoes. So for a hostess this fall season, when you host a party, at the $200 level, you can get one of our exclusives. If you get to the $500 level, you can purchase 2 of them. So you could get the packing cubes for $25 and get the weekend bag for $50. So for $75, you have got a great set of travel products.